Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Let's start. Colors names. We have lots of color here. Dark green, light green, grey, purple, black, orange, pink and neon. Let's start. Yellow color. 1, O-N-E 1. 2, TWO2. 3, THREE 3. 4, FOUR 4. 5, FIVE 5. Orange color. 6, SIX 6. 7, SEVEN 7. 8, EIGHT 8. 9, NINE 9. 10, TEN 10. Pink color. 11, ELEVEN 11. 12, TWELVE 12. 13, THIRTEEN 13. 14, FOURTEEN 14. 15, FIFTEEN 15. Green color. Dark green color. 16, SIXTEEN 16. 17, SEVENTEEN 17. 18, EIGHTEEN 18. 19, NINETEEN 19. 20, TWENTY 20. So kids, what we learned today? Yellow color, orange color, pink color and dark green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.